We have been given this question that a country's production capacity for two goods, X and Y, can be described by the following equation: X squared plus Y squared. X squared plus Y squared is equal to 15. Now A is saying that sketch the PPF. B is saying that determine the general slope and evaluate it at point where x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5. Then um, the next question that follows and the B is what does it mean? So you get C, get to C, and the C is asking you what's the functional form showing whether it is being constant, decreasing, or increasing opportunity cost. Then how did you know? How did you know it is constant, decreasing, or increasing opportunity cost? So we are going to solve this question. First, they said you should at A, you will write A. Solving A, you should sketch the PPF using the equation. So if we are given this equation, we have to sketch the PPF. Whenever you are sketching a graph or you are sketching a curve, you have to find its intercept. And for you to get intercept of a variable, you have to put 1 to 0, 0 for you to get that variable. So we get the intercept for x and y. Let's put first x to 0 to get the y. So the intercept of y, now x is equal to 0, so it becomes 0 plus y squared is equal to 16. We are finding the intercept of y. 0 means nothing. So y squared is equal to 16. You have to square root both sides. So this is y squared is equal to square root of 16. Y squared is equal to square root of 16. So your y is equal to 4. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to what? 4. So that x, y. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. Then now we come to your y. You put y to 0. When you have the equation x squared plus y squared is equal to 16. Y is already 0, so x squared plus 0 is equal to 16. 0 means nothing. So x squared is equal to 16. You square root both sides. When you square root both sides, you get x is equal to 4. So you get 4. So your x, y now becomes what? When y is equal to 0, x is equal to what? 4. So these are we are going to solve for the intercept. So we are going to use this to draw our graph. So for the first point, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to what? 4, right? Yeah, and the second one, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to what? Okay. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. So we are now going to come to graph or sketch our PPF. So the A continues. You have your vertical and horizontal axis. This is your y. This is your x. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to what? 4. Then when x is equal to 4, y is equal to what? 0. So we have our point. We just draw a curve. So this becomes our PPF for the equation that we were given. Our PPF for the equation that we were given. And the B part says determine the general slope and evaluate it at point where x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5. What does it mean? So the B part says determine the general slope and evaluate it at point where x is equal to 10 and y is equal to find the slope. And you know slope is the same as what? Gradient, right? Yeah. So we are supposed to find the gradient. And this question that we have been given, before we solve the slope, we have to find it, we have to find y before we can solve for the slope. So in solving for slope, we have to make the y subject. So to make our y subject, we have to send all the elements here to the other side. So 16 minus x squared. 16 minus x squared. Then you find y. By finding y, you have to square root both sides to find y. So square root both sides, 16 minus x squared to find y. Now our y becomes what? 16 minus what? X squared. Or you can write this y is equal to 16 minus x squared all on what? Raised to the power or exponent half. This is our y. This is our y. You shouldn't forget this y. You'll be using this y. So let's write it somewhere here. Y is equal to 16 minus x squared raised to the power half. 16 minus x squared raised to the power half. This is our y. Now, we now have this equation. We now have this equation. That's our y. Y is equal to 16 minus 16 minus 16 minus x squared all on half. Differentiation can be used to find the slope. Differentiation. Differentiation can be used to find the slope. So when you are calculating differentiation of a slope, you are basically finding the slope of the equation. So we can use differentiation to bring this one down. So we have the y on what? The x. This we are finding in respect to x. This can be for this one to bring this one down. We have to change to bring this one down. How do we change to bring this one down? In differentiation, the power multiplies the coefficient and you subtract one from the power. So we have half here. We have to multiply all the coefficients of the bracket. 1. So we have to multiply the power by the coefficient of 1. So we have 1 times 1 over 2. In the bracket, 16 minus x squared. Then you subtract 1 from the power. That's half minus 1. Then quotient to, after you are done with the bracket, then you come to the variable you are finding the square root. You are finding the square root of x. So times the bracket, you differentiate the x. How do you differentiate the x? The power multiply the coefficient. So when the coefficient is negative 1, when 2 multiplies negative 1, it is negative what? 2. Then subtract 1 from the power, you equal x, this is all 2 minus 1. This is, so we have the y on the x is equal to half 1 times half is half. Half, then we have our 16 minus x squared. Half minus 1 will be negative half. Then we have times negative 2 bracket times x. So negative 2x. So we have this as what? As our result for the differentiation. Now, we don't want the power to be what? Negative. We want the power to be positive. So how do you do? You have to make it come down. Find its reciprocal. So what is the denominator for this bracket? 1. So we find its reciprocal. The number at the denominator will come as what? As numerator. And the denominator will go as what? Denominator. So any number which is standing on this one, it has what? Denominator of 1. So here the bracket is having denominator of 1. We don't have the power, we don't want the negative power. Here, this is the numerator. The numerator is 1. So we have our half here. The half is multiplying. Don't forget. Times the numerator now becomes our numerator. So 1, our numerator now goes down as what? The denominator. Then we have done eliminating the negative sign. Then it is multiplying with a certain number here. Negative 2x. Negative 2x. You know this, when the fraction is multiplying the whole number, it affects the denominator, right? So you just multiply it through. Multiply with the numerator. Numerator, we are having 1, 1, 1, right? Yeah. So negative 2 times 1 times 1 will give us negative 2x. Then our denominator, we have 2 times this bracket. So we have 2 times 16 minus s squared raised to the power half. Now, what is 16 minus s squared raised to the power half? Which is what? The same as what? Y. 16 minus s squared raised to the power half is the same as our y. So we have to do substitution here. We have to substitute in our y. So how do we get our y substituted? Our y is equal to 16 minus s squared raised to the power half. This is the same as what we have here. So 2 is multiplying our y. So we have our step, next step to have negative 2x over 2y. So we now have our y. What do we do next? What do we do next? So what we do is to just cancel out. So 2 cancel 2. And we will be leaving what with x on what? Y. So our slope dy on dx. Now we can our slope dy on dx. Now we can negative x on y on dx. Now we have negative x on y. So this is our slope. This is our slope for the equation that we will use. Our general slope is negative x on y. Now they say evaluate it as points where x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5. Where is x? This is x, this is y. So this has to substitute. X is equal to what? 10. And y is equal to 5, right? So our slope dy on dx is equal to negative x on y. So what is negative x? Negative x is 10. So you have negative 10 on y. What is y? Y is what? 5. So we have our slope is what? Negative 2. And they are saying, what does this mean? So when we have this to negative 2, what does this mean? It means on any unit of maize, for a nation to produce 1 bag of maize, there must be sacrifice of 2 units of bags of what? The other would have cocoa to produce the 1 bag of what? Maize. If it is x and y, for 1 unit of x to produce, there must be a sacrifice of 2 units of y to produce that 1 unit of x. If 1 unit of y is to produce, there must be a sacrifice of 2 units of x to get that 1 unit of y. So this negative 2 here, you see, is basically showing us that on any production that we make, there must be a sacrifice of 2 units of the other good. There must be a sacrifice of 2 units of the other good. And now we come to our question. What is the functional form showing? What is the functional form showing? So what is this showing? You see the opportunity cost that we had keeps what running through, like the same, being the same. So what is this form? It is forming what? Constant. It is forming constant. Remember our sketch. Our sketch with A, we had the PPF curve to the straight line. So it is what? It takes what? Constant opportunity cost. So the C part of the functional form showing is showing constant opportunity cost. How do you know? Because on any unit of x producer or the nation will produce, there must be 2 units sacrificed on Y. So to produce 1 unit of X, there must be 2 units of sacrifice on Y. To produce 1 unit on Y, there must be 2 units of sacrifice of X. So on any unit of good that we produce, there must be sacrifice 2 units of sacrifice of the other good, which is showing what? Constant opportunity cost. Showing constant opportunity cost. Thank you.